Hi everybody, I'm Gloria Shirley, Digital Learning Coach, and in this video we're going to learn how to enable dictation so that students can speak and create text in Canvas. So here I have my iPad and I'm going to click on my settings here, right here, and then under General Settings, I'm going to find Keyboard. It's right here. We're going to click that. And then we're looking for Enable Dictation. So here it is right here. We're going to toggle that on and then it asks us, are you sure? And it tells that it's going to send information. So we'll enable that. Then let's navigate over to Canvas, go into a student app, and here's a discussion that my teacher's asking me to do as a student. So I'm going to tap on reply. You can see this box comes up, and if I want to see the prompting questions, I can tap view more and then scroll down to the bottom and tap into the field where I'm going to type. So you can see on my keyboard this microphone comes up right here. Okay, so I'm going to tap that and begin speaking now. Period. New paragraph. The last movie I watched was Wonder Woman. Period. New paragraph. My favorite TV show is Will and Grace. Period. Once the student has finished, they can tap this keyboard icon down here. That ends the dictation, and then they now simply need to click Send in the Canvas app to submit that assignment.